Blitzy, Daddy's gotta make a movie. Daddy's got shit on his mind. Come on, man.
I worked him a minute ago.
490,
Reno, Nevada. Northern Idaho. In a mobile. CB channel 39. Look at that signal, man. Just about hit S9 from Northern Idaho in a mobile. I'm tempted to switch to channel, oh God. Oh boy. Gotta laugh, man. I was tempted to switch to 10 meters and see if there's any activity. I think we already covered that. When I belly laugh, I notice the phone bounces up and down like I'm Santa Claus. Well, we gotta do it, man. Hang on. There's probably activity. I hope. Prove me wrong. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Of course, most of it's noise from my UNUN. We got one guy. Come on, man.
That's much better.
That is much better. Thank you. Yeah. And we got a little activity. And regarding my ham say 10 and 15 meter video, well, you guys seem to really do hate 15 meters especially. People get on the 10 meter bandwagon, the excitement gets high, and so do I. Seriously, man, there's quite a bit of excitement on 10 meters when you approach solar max. You got a lot of converted CB radios and export radios and the like in mobiles all over the place and in homes and whatnot, and there's a lot of radio operators that just live for solar max years and 10 meters. That's all they do. They don't get on 80 at night and talk about their medical appointments. They just don't. And so you have a lot of rainy day, rainy day 10 meter ops, man. And in all fairness, but the thing is, before I give it up, man, why do hams hate 15 meters so? It's the perfect band, in my opinion. You want to know why? I'll tell you sometime, man. But for now, I will toss you guys a cookie that got upset or begged to differ when I posted that hams hate 10 and 15 meter video. See, on CB channels 38, 39, and 40, you've got 3 frequencies, and the vast majority of the activities on channel 38. And for a stateside, just babbling on there. And so you've got a whole nation of hams concentrated on one frequency, or 3 frequencies if you want to consider channels 39 and 40, right? And of course, you've got the free band frequency for DX, very popular in Europe and US and Australia and such, 27.425. And then for purely DX calling frequency, 27.555. You make your call, you announce the frequency you're moving to, and you're done on .555. So if you include all 3 CB channels that use lower sideband, and oddly they do use lower sideband, and if you include 27.425 lower sideband, and if you include 27.555 upper sideband, you've only got 5 frequencies, man. So, do I exploit that fact to my advantage when making a ham, say 10 and 15? Of course I do. But still, the radio ops on the CB channels and on the free band channels are every bit as dedicated, if not more so, than the average ham. They're every bit as knowledgeable, if not way more so, than the average ham when it comes to antennas and propagation. And at the end of the day, guys, aren't we all just the same? Aren't we all just radio enthusiasts? Except for you freaks that are addicted to that. I hope you're well. I've got Blitzy curled up on my feet, keeping him warm. And I wanted to say hi. I wanted to say I hope you're well, man. Have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. From You Know It's Coming. Baby boy, faithfully keeping Daddy's feet warm under the desk. I hope you're well. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.